All right, man. Here we go, man. Shoot, first video. I'm just going. I'm out here at the lake, just hanging out. Go out here and try to fish a little bit. First of all, gotta get this boat in the water. So, introduce my boat. There we go. My whole setup right here. Yep. Thing down. See that? It'll be all right there for now. Ain't going too far. Throttle wheel backlash. You don't stop it. Make long cast and don't stop it. Wheel backlash on here. Pretty good one too. There we go. There we go. What I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about. I can't even get them right. Look at me. Why don't you shake that worm off? That's about the last one I got. Okay, let me grab him right there. Good. Then grab him right there. Pretty good fish right there. Ryan, you missed out on this one, brother. Catching him. Appreciate you. Set this back good. If not, as you've seen the results in the trees.